Mechanic life aggravations. This is a 2005 Explorer Sport Track Edition, the truck-like thing. Well, between 05 and 06 was a changeover year. The manufacturing date on this is the 5th month. And sometimes manufacturers like to start throwing in parts for the next year. And then you go to look up parts and you get parts for an 05, but it was a changeover year and now you need parts for an 06. Anyways, on this one, it has the 2006 dash, which means the parts I got, the stepper motors to rebuild this cluster right here, I don't have the right parts and she wants it back tomorrow. It's already past 10 p.m. I was gonna get this done tonight. When will they stop us right in the ass? Probably once or twice a month I run into something stupid like this where, oh, it was late in the manufacturer's year. It's still a 2005 model year, but we put 2006 parts in it. So all the parts you got are wrong. So I get the pleasure of reassembling all this and then reassembling all this. And I can only get that stepper motor from China. I'm sure there's somebody with a stepper motor for this laying around. Hey, you know, if you want to hook a brother up and you're in the area, the shipping on this said only China. I found 3 sellers of these stepper motors, all in China. Delivery date, $21 a piece with shipping. Whatever, not bad, run it. Shouldn't be touching circuit boards barehanded, but who cares? So the part number on these stepper motors is, let's see, they're on the side there, and it is 64051512. Maybe I can dig around on the internet longer and find some place in the US. I found an individual wholesaler for gauge parts. They were in China as well. So it said the 19th to the 24th, and today is the 6th, I believe, 7th. She needs her truck, so I get to throw all this back together for free. Yes. But like, what other industry can you run across this where it's like, oh yeah, you know, you got an 05, it was built in 05, this is the part, it says it on the computer, you can cross it on anywhere you want to, cross, this is the stepper motor you need. This is the tie rod you need. This is the timing chain you need. You got to put that timing chain in. This thing's way too long. You know, you got everything disassembled, then it sets you back a day, 2 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Like, what other industry is like this? I don't know. Rant over. Let's put it all back together and give it back to her. And wait a couple weeks and take it all apart again.